2009 Subaru Outback. Just looked online, there's no videos on where this thermostat is, so started taking the car apart. Thermostat is located on the driver's side underneath right here. To get to it, I just jacked up the bottom of the car. I took off the lower shroud that's on the bottom of the car. This thing was about 4 or 5 bolts and this, like 4 of those plastic clips. And to get to the radiator, we replaced the radiator also. I took off the 2 fans, fan here and a fan here, that were just held on by 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. And then after I took the fans off and the shroud off, I was able to access the thermostat right here. Hose clip, hose clip.
You don't have one station more longer?
Really, like after I got the fans off and the shroud off, the hardest part was just making sure that transmission fluid didn't leak out when I replaced the radiator. And we just took some of those, what are they called, folder clip?
Binder.
Yeah, binder clips, and I just clipped this one and clipped that one, and only a few drops leaked out. So disconnect the 2 transmission lines, undid this thing and this thing, radiator holders or whatever, and the radiator just popped back out. This is the new one. Our old one, this plastic right here, it all cracked and come off, and the radiator hose had come off while she was driving it. But thermostat, I was really pissed off because I thought I was going to have to take off the exhaust manifold or some crap like that to get it to it, and I was cursing Subaru Outbacks like really bad because we just had to replace the head gasket. Anyways, once again, thermostat is right here. I didn't have to take off the exhaust. This is a 2009 Subaru Outback with the 2.5i standard 4-cylinder flat 4 engine. What else? Putting the fans back on, and then those little electric clips in there, I don't like them. They weren't as hard as actually Toyotas or Hondas to get undone. I actually just pulled on the little plastic thing a little bit and they slid right out, thank God. But yeah, really simple. Just had to take off the lower shroud to get to it, and the radiator wasn't that bad either. So happy about that. Can you think of anything else we need to say about this?
No, I think you got it.
Okay, and then, oh yeah, there's this kind of metal thing that was mounted right here. I took it off. It was just held on with 2 screws, and it was, you know, after I got that off, it was more easy to access it.